Let's proceed to the bacterial diseases of the skin. Staphylococcus is a gram-positive bacteria and a type of germs commonly found on the skin or in the nose of even healthy individuals. S. aureus is often a problem in the hospital environment. The S. aureus, frequently found in the upper respiratory tract on the skin. The nasal passages provide an especially favorable environment for S. aureus. Streptococcus are gram-positive bacteria that occur in pairs or chains. Streptococcus pyogenes is most important of beta-hemolytic streptococci. When it infects the skin, it causes a serious disease called erysipelas. Next is the impetigo. Impetigo is a bacterial infection of the skin that is common in young children. The impetigo usually occur when because of lack of hand washing, body washing, and facial cleanliness. Doctors use antibiotics to treat impetigo. Antibiotics can also help protect others from getting sick. Next is the folliculitis. It is a common skin condition in which hair follicles become inflamed. It usually caused by bacterial or fungal infection. Here are some symptoms of folliculitis: itchy, burning skin, painful tender skin, a large swollen bump or mass, and pus-filled blisters that break open and crust over. Next is the toxic shock syndrome. The toxic shock syndrome is a rare, life-threatening complication of certain types of bacterial infections. Often shock syndrome results from toxins produced by Staphylococcus aureus bacteria. Possible signs and symptoms of toxic shock syndrome including the sudden high fever, low blood pressure, vomiting or diarrhea, muscle aches, and confusion. Next is the acne. Acne is a common skin condition where the pores of your skin become blocked by hair. Sebum, an oily substance, bacteria, and dead skin cells. Those blockage produce blackheads, whiteheads, nodules, and other types of pimples. There are a variety of causes including genetics, fluctuating hormone levels, stress, high humidity, and using oily or greasy personal care products. Then, next is the viral diseases of the skin. First is the warts. Warts are a type of skin infection caused by human papillomavirus or HPV. The infection causes rough skin-colored bumps to form on the skin. Warts are more likely to develop on broken skin such as picked hangnails or areas nicked by shaving because of the virus is able to enter the top layer of the skin through scratches or cuts. Next is the smallpox. Is a contagious, disfiguring, and often deadly disease that has affected humans for thousands of years. The smallpox is caused by infection with the variola virus. It can be transmitted through directly from person to person. Naturally occurring smallpox was wiped out worldwide by 1980, the result of an unprecedented global immunization campaign. Next is the chickenpox. Is a very contagious infection caused by a varicella zoster virus. It mainly affects kids, but adults can get it too. The herpes simplex virus, also known as HASV, is an infection that causes herpes. Herpes can appear in various parts of the body, most commonly on the genitals of mouth. Measles. The measles causes a red blotchy rash that usually appears first on the face and behind the ears, then spread downward to the chest and back, and finally to the feet. Measles is a childhood infection caused by a virus. Once quite common, measles can now almost always be prevented with a vaccine. Then another one is rubella. The rubella is a contagious disease caused by a virus. Most people who get rubella usually have a mild illness, with symptoms can include a low-grade fever, sore throat, and rash that starts on the face and spreads to the rest of the body.